In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store admin contact email and sender email. There are two separate emails you can update in Shopify, and they serve different purposes. The store or admin email is the address Shopify uses to contact you as the owner. Things like order notifications, billing, and security alerts. The sender email is what your customers see in their inbox when Shopify sends order confirmations and shipping updates on your behalf. I'll walk you through updating both and share a few tips to make sure everything works smoothly. First, let's change the store or admin email. Log into your Shopify admin, then head to Settings and open General. In the Store Details section, look for Store Email or Account Email and click the pencil icon to edit. Type the new email address you want to use and click Save. Shopify will send a confirmation message to that new inbox. Open it and click the verification link to complete the change. If you don't see the email, give it a couple of minutes and check your spam or promotions folders. This verification step is important. It confirms you own the address, and without it, Shopify won't switch over. Choose an inbox you check often and keep it secure, since it's where critical alerts and recovery emails may be sent. Next, let's update the sender email that appears to customers. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings and select Notifications. Find the sender email field, enter the address you want customers to see, and click Save. Just like before, Shopify will send a verification email to that address. Open it and click the link to verify. Until you verify, Shopify may continue using the previous sender address or a default no reply. If you're using a custom domain for this sender email, something like info@yourdomain.com, it's a good idea to authenticate your domain so your messages don't land in spam. Shopify supports authentication using SPF and DKIM. After you save your new sender email, Shopify will guide you through adding the necessary DNS records with your domain provider. This step improves deliverability and builds trust with email services. Allow some time for DNS changes to propagate and verify again inside Shopify if prompted. That's it. Update your admin email for internal communications and your sender email for customer-facing messages. Verify both and consider domain authentication for the best deliverability. With these changes in place, you'll keep your store communications organized, reliable, and professional.